good morning to all of you. So as you can see on the board, we are going to start with the revision, and the chapter number 9th we will start with rational numbers, right? So I will take the concept part of the chapter, and then examples, then difficult questions from the exercise, and then some extra questions, right? So let us start with the revision of the definition part. So in starting, we have done that what are rational numbers? What are rational numbers? So we have started with the definition of rational number. That what are the rational numbers? Right? So I told you that if a number is having three things in it, then that number will be regarded as a rational number. What those three things are? Number should be in the form P by Q. That means it should have numerator as well as denominator. It should have numerator as well as denominator. First point. Second, P and Q, that means numerator and denominator should be integers. Should be integers. This is the second condition that is imposed. P and Q, it should be integers, right? Third condition we are looking at, the denominator, that means Q, denominator, should not equal to 0. Denominator कभी भी 0 के equal नहीं होगा. If a number is having these three qualities, these three properties, then we say that the given number is a rational number. Then we say that the given number is a rational number. First property is number should have numerator as well as denominator. Second property is numerator and denominator should be integer. You know integers, all the positive and the negative numbers including 0, they form the group of integers. And the third is Q, that means denominator should not be equal to 0. So यहाँ से हमने कुछ एक चीजें जो है वो सीखी थी. Let me recall those. What we learned that 0 will not be in the denominator of a rational number, because when I told you one story that 0 is such a number which is not having place in the denominator. Why so? क्योंकि उसको वरदान मिला हुआ है. पता है ना, 0 रोती रोती भगवान जी के पास चली जाती है. क्या कहती है भगवान जी को? मुझे सारे छोटा छोटा कहते रहते हैं, मेरे को सारे चिढ़ाते हैं क्योंकि छोटी है छोटी है. तो भगवान जी ने उसको क्या वरदान दिया था कि आपको कोई कभी नीचे नहीं बैठा पाएगा, राइट? सो डिनोमिनेटर में देयर शुड नॉट बी 0. 0 कांट कम इन द डिनोमिनेटर. सो this becomes the definition of the rational number. Then if someone is asking you, is 3 by 0 a rational number? What you will say? Jasmeet, what you will say about 3 by 0? Is it a rational number? Jasmeet, बच्चे unmute yourself. Let us give the chances to other students also to come forward to speak. Every time 2-3 students, they come forward, they take front and they give me the answer. So Bishop, can you give me the answer? Mitarthi, can you say that 3 by 0 a rational number? Mitarthi, क्या आप 3 by 0 को rational number बोल सकते हो? No response. Yes, Chehak, you tell. Chehak.
Yes, ma'am. No.
Is it a rational number 3 by 0?
No, ma'am.
Reason?
Ma'am, because 0 can't be at the last in the denominator.
0 is in the denominator, so we can't say that it is a rational number. So this is not a rational. Not a rational. Right? So starting with the definition, we are taking some important points from the definition. First point is, if you have raised your hand for giving the answer, now you can put your hand down because the question is over, right? चलिए, so इसी पे ही based हमने कुछ और observations की थी. What you can say about 1? Is it a rational number? 1. Is it a rational number? शुभ से पूछते हैं. So what you can say about 1? Is it a rational number?
No, ma'am.
No. Reason?
Ma'am, because there is no denominator.
There doesn't exist a denominator. Let us ask Harmeet Singh that whether he is going to agree with the Shubh or not. Harmeet, Shubh is saying that this is not a rational number क्योंकि इसका denominator नहीं है. Do you agree with him?
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, it has a denominator, but it is not showing the denominator. Ma'am, as 1 over 1 it will be the rational number.
Shubh, Harmeet Singh is contradicting your answer. He says that this 1 can be written as 1 over 1. That means denominator count. So it is a rational number. Shubh, is it clear to you? If a number is not having any denominator, we can take 1 as denominator. Is it okay? Give the reaction.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Gauri, put your head down. Hand down. Head means hand. Right? So this was the second observation, that if a number is not having any denominator, then we can put 1 over there and we can take the number to be the rational number. So similarly, if I'm talking about -1, this is also it can be written as -1 over 1. So this is also a rational. Numerator is there, denominator is there, numerator is integer, denominator is integer, numerator not equal to 0, all conditions satisfied. So this is a rational number. What you can say about 0? Is 0 a rational number? What you can say about
Can I-
0? Is 0 a
Ma'am,
rational?
0 is a rational number.
Let me take some other students in front. Saksham Smart. Yeah, Ipsa, आप बताओ. Ipsa, can you say that 0 a rational number?
Yes, ma'am.
Why so?
Ma'am, because when we convert it into fraction, it is 0 over 1 and it is a rational number.
Right, 0 over 1. 0 को ऊपर आना बहुत पसंद है. कहती मैं ऊपर आ सकती हूँ पर मुझे मैं नीचे नहीं आना चाहती. भगवान जी कहते कोई बात नहीं, तो नीचे कोई नहीं बिठा सकता. Right? So 0 can be written as 0 over 1. This is again become a rational number as 0 is integer and moreover 1 is also an integer. So this becomes a 0 becomes a rational number. Right? तो ये हमने rational number की definition से related कुछ observations की जो कि 1 मार्क में आपको आ सकती है. ठीक है? So remember these points whatever I am writing on the board. चलिए. Next topic I am going to start with. Fractions and rational. Fractions and rational number. We did the chapter fractions and decimal. I told you fraction is a part of whole. It is always like I'm taking 2 by 3. This is a fraction. I am taking 5 by 2. This is a fraction. I am taking 7 by 9. This is a fraction. All you know the definition of fraction. Someone's voice is disturbing us. Please mute yourself. Those who are earlier unmuted to give the answer. Please unmute yourself. Right? So these are fractions. Earlier we did it. Right? Can you say this fraction to be a rational number? क्या ये rational numbers होंगी? All these fractions that I have written on the board. Do you agree with me that these all are rational numbers as well? Hargunpreet, roll number 18. Do you agree with me? Roll number 18, Hargunpreet. Bachche, speak up. Come forward, raise your hands yourself. Why I am calling this name or that name? You come forward yourself to give the answer. Reason may if you will involve yourself by giving the answer, it will be good for you. You will learn from your mistake. Anji, Smarth and Saksham, what you can say? Are these fractions considered as rational numbers? Can be considered. Saksham, Smarth. हाँ जी, देवांग आप बताओ बेटे. देवांग. Devang.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, they are rational number as well. Because
Yes, ma'am.
numerator, denominator not equal to 0, and both numerator and denominator are integer. So every fraction is a rational number. तो यहाँ से जो पॉइंट्स हम इधर मैं टॉपिक एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, इधर जो पॉइंट डिड्यूस हो रहे हैं वो लिखूंगी. आपकी मर्जी, आप लिख सकते हो for 1 mark question. So we can write every fraction is a rational number. Every fraction is a rational number. Right? Now I am reversing the things. I am writing some rational numbers. So I'm writing 3 rational numbers. Now I would like to ask you certain questions. First. What you can say about first, Devang? Can the first rational number be considered as a fraction? Devang? Devang, you're unmuted.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, it is
Yes,
a fraction. It is a fraction. And what about the second, minus 5/6?
Ma'am, it is also.
It is also fraction. Chalo, let me go to other student to see that whether they agree with you or not. Gaurish, do you agree with Devang? He says minus 5/6 is also a fraction.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Minus 5/6 is also a fraction. Do you agree with Devang? Devang says that minus 5/6 is fraction. Do you agree? Gaurish, speak up. Gaurish?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 5/6 is a rational number. Will it be a fraction as well?
Yes, ma'am. Every fraction is a rational number.
I am talking about this is a rational number. Now reverse हो गया हमारा काम. अब मैंने rational numbers लिखे हैं और मैं fraction जज कर रही हूँ उनको. Minus 5/6 rational number है तो कोई fraction होगा?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Sorry, no, ma'am. Every fraction can't be negative.
बिल्कुल ठीक. This is not a fraction because we don't take negative fraction. Not a fraction. Fraction में negative sign हम count नहीं करते. किसी को property का half part मिलता है, -1/2 part नहीं मिलता. आपको अपनी पिज्जा का 3/4 हिस्सा मिलेगा, -3/4 नहीं मिलेगा, right? What you can say about -2/9? Is it a fraction?
No, ma'am.
Not a fraction. Negative sign is there. This is not a fraction. So what we conclude from here? Let us write it. I wrote earlier that every fraction is a rational number, but this time I am writing every rational number need not to be a fraction. Need not to be. That means कभी कभी हो भी सकता है, but always हो जरूरी नहीं. Need not to be a fraction. जब negative आ जाएगा तो वो fraction नहीं बनेगा, because negative fractions we don't consider, right? So please put your hand down, all of you. Put your hand down so that I should not be distracted that whether you are going to ask something or the hands were just raised for the previous hand. Okay? So these two observations we have made, that every fraction is a rational number, but every rational number need not to be a fraction, because there are negative rational number as well, and negative rational number can't be taken in the group of fractions, right? So next topic, negative rational numbers. अभी मैंने negative rational numbers आपको करवाए. If negative sign is there with the rational number, negative sign is there with rational number, then that is called negative rational. That is called negative rational number. For example, -2/3, -5/6, and so on. These are the example of negative rational numbers, right? These are the examples of negative rational numbers, right? So next.
Yes, ma'am.
Next topic we have discussed, standard form of a rational. Standard form of a rational number. If a rational number is in the form P by Q, where P and Q do not have, common factor, other than 1, then we say the rational number is in the standard form. If a rational number is of the form P by Q, where P and Q do not have common factor other than 1, then we say that P by Q is in the standard form, right? So let me explain here the definition. One side you can see the definition concept, other side I'm explaining it. Let me explain it. What is the standard form of the rational number? I said that there should not be common factor other than 1. Suppose I'm writing the rational number 2 by 5. कोई ऐसा टेबल है जिसमें 2 और 5 इकट्ठे आए? No, only one table is there. That means they are having only one common factor. That is 1 itself. इनका एक ही common factor है, namely 1. ये दोनों इकट्ठे 1 के टेबल में आ रहे हैं. So this is in the standard form. और मैंने आपको सिंपल लेमैन की लैंग्वेज में क्या बताया था? Do the cutting till the cutting is possible. जब तक कटिंग पॉसिबल है तब तक कटिंग करते जाओ, and when the cutting becomes impossible, the rational number becomes in its standard form. जैसे if someone is going to get hair cut, तो उसकी हेयर कटिंग कब तक पॉसिबल है? जब तक वो गंजा ना हो जाए, right? So let me take the second example. Let us have 48 over 50. Let us take 52. So this is not in the standard form because it is having common factor other than 1. इसको 2 के टेबल पे कट करेंगे तो ये आ जाएगा. Still now it is not in the standard form because again the cutting is possible on 2 tables, so I can do it. Now it is in the standard form as we did the cutting, and now the cutting is not possible. Do the cutting till it is possible. When the cutting is not possible, the number so come is called rational number in the standard form, right? Let me take one more example. Let me take minus 96. Let me take minus like this. So I want to convert in the standard form. This will be 48 minus 26, and again this will be 12 minus 3. Is it okay with the standard form? Kya 12 by minus 13 answer is correct for the standard form, or something is to be done? Yes, Savya, you can give the answer. Savya, give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, something is missing.
Yes.
Because, ma'am, something is missing.
What is missing?
Because if we make standard form, the negative sign is with numerator, not with denominator.
Very good. If while we are making standard form, the negative sign should be in the numerator instead of denominator. So this is minus 12 by 3. Whenever such kind of question is there, teachers used to give the option like students get confused. They are writing the answer to be 12 by minus 15, minus 12 by 15, 12 by 15, none. बच्चे कुछ इसको टिक कर देते हैं, ये गलत हो जाएगा. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नेगेटिव साइन इज टू बी इम्पोज्ड इन द न्यूमरेटर, राइट? सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो दिस यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. आई होप दैट all of you are very much clear now with the standard form of the rational number. Is it okay? Standard
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This was about standard form. So this was the fourth concept of the chapter. So please, you can put your hand down. You are just going to give me the answer. So मेरे को ऐसे confusion रहती है, शायद कुछ पूछना हो आपने. When the question's answer is over, someone has given the answer, then it's your moral duty to put your hand down, right? So this was the standard form of the rational number that we have done. So let us start with the fifth concept. Fifth concept that we did is let me take certain points here. Reciprocal or also known as multiplicative inverse of rational number. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of rational number. Right? If we are having a rational number a by b, then its reciprocal is b by a. Its multiplicative inverse is b by a. That means just reverse the number, you will get the reciprocal, you will get the multiplicative inverse. For example, if I'm having a number 2 by 5, then its multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal, this is equal to 5 by 2. Right? Suppose I'm having a number minus 5 by 2, then its multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal, this is equal to 2 by minus 5 in the standard form minus 2 by 5. Right? So we did certain observations from here. Let us see. First observation हमने की थी, reciprocal of 0 doesn't exist. Reciprocal of 0 doesn't exist. 0 का reciprocal exist नहीं करता. Can anyone justify? कोई इसको explain कर सकता है? Yes, can you? Jasmine Kaur, I say that 0 doesn't have any reciprocal. Can you explain it? Jasmine Kaur. Kartik. Yes, Kartik, you can come forward to give the answer. Kartik. Kartik, unmute yourself, bete. Kartik, can I have answer from your side? Kartik. Where is Kartik? Kartik is not in the class.
Ma'am, it is in the class. He's in the class.
Kartik, unmute yourself. What happened? I think he is not able to unmute himself. Okay, anyhow.
Ma'am,
Jasmine,
can I?
Jasmine, can you give the answer? That 0 doesn't have any reciprocal. Reciprocal of 0 doesn't exist. Jasmine. चलिए गौरीश आप ही बता दीजिए. Nobody wants to come forward.
यस मैम. मैम जब हम 0 को एक फ्रैक्शन की फॉर्म में लिखते हैं 0 by 1, तो अगर हम उसको रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे तो 1 by 0 आ जाएगा. तो 0 तो कभी लाइक डिनोमिनेटर में आ ही नहीं सकता. तो इसलिए हम 0 को
find reciprocal of 0, it will be 1 by 0, which is not possible, which is not defined, जो कि अभी तक डिफाइन ही नहीं हुआ, जिसके बारे में किसी को पता ही नहीं है कि इसका आंसर क्या है. So 0 doesn't have any reciprocal, right? So next observation that we have made is there are two numbers which are reciprocal of itself. Can anyone tell me what those numbers are which are reciprocal of themselves itself? जो अपने आप का ही reciprocal होते हैं. Can I have Sonam Gupta to give this answer? Bishop, can you give me the answer? Bishop Kundal. Bishop.
Ma'am, can I?
Who is this?
Ma'am, Karthik.
हाँ जी कार्तिक बोलो.
मैम आई थिंक जो 0 by 1 वाली है वो नॉट डिफाइंड है, क्योंकि मैम अगर हम एनीथिंग डिवाइडेड बाय 0 इज नॉट डिफाइंड.
I am asking you that tell me the two numbers who are reciprocal of themselves. That means जब उनको उल्टा करते हैं तो वो वही रह जाते हैं. जीरो की बात खत्म
Okay,
हो गई.
ma'am.
There are two numbers which are reciprocal of itself या themselves. कौन से हैं वो दो नंबर? कार्तिक, speak up.
Yes, ma'am. मैम जीरो, मैम वो वाला नंबर हमने काउंट करना है जो सिंगल जीरो आपने लिखा है.
बच्चे जीरो तो हो ही नहीं सकती, जीरो का तो कोई रेसिप्रोकल होता ही नहीं है. मेरे को दो नंबर
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ जिनको रेसिप्रोकल करें और वो वैसे के वैसे ही रह जाए, उनमें कोई चेंज ना आए.
मैम 1 by 1
और
एंड मैम 2 by 1.
2 by 1 तो 1 by 2 बन जाएगा रेसिप्रोकल होगी. हरमीत सिंह आप बताओ.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम 2 by 2.
यस, स्पीकर
मैम
वन.
2 by 2.
2 by 2 ये तो 1 ही बन गया. नहीं, you are not. Let me tell you, if I am taking 1 and I am finding the reciprocal of 1, reciprocal means उल्टा करना, तब भी वो 1 ही रह जाएगा. 1 का रेसिप्रोकल 1 ही रह जाएगा. And if I am taking
मैम -1 over -1.
Yes, ma'am.
तो भी -1 ही रह जाएगा. So in exam, the question is like this: write two numbers which are whose reciprocal is equal to themselves. जो अपने reciprocal के equal होते हैं. The answer is 1 and -1. When you will find out their reciprocals, you will get the same answer. For 1, the reciprocal is 1. For -1, the reciprocal is -1. So the same answer you are getting, right? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth step we are going to start with. How to find. चलो इसको हम लास्ट में करें. ये थोड़ा अलग है, थोड़ा लेंथी भी है, इसको हम बाद में करेंगे. First of all, I would like to take the difficult questions from the examples as well as from the exercise. So as far as examples are concerned, I don't think so anything from 2.1 is there, 9.1 is there which you can't do. So let me see.
मैम 5th क्वेश्चन. मैम 5th क्वेश्चन लिख रहा था आपने.
We have to do. That is, I know that we have to do. I'm just looking out the questions which are difficult. Let us see. So open up your books at page number 186. First of all, I would like to discuss example number 6. Page number 186. Example number 6. Example number 6. Satpal walks 2 by 3 kilometers from a place P towards east. There is a place P and he walks 2 by 3 kilometers towards east. 2 by 3 kilometers he walks towards east. Yes, Jasmine, any problem? Jasmine Kaur? Jasmine, we're raising hand. Is there any issue? Any problem? Savya?
मैम जो आपने लास्ट फैक्ट कराया, देयर आर टू नंबर्स व्हिच आर रेसिप्रोकल इटसेल्फ. इसमें हम ये लिख सकते हैं 0 by 0.
0 by 0, बट 0 जब डिनोमिनेटर में 0 आ गई वो डिफाइंड ही नहीं है. हम डिनोमिनेटर में 0 ले ही नहीं सकते. Savya, is it okay?
यस मैम.
ठीक है, 0 by 0 लिख सकते क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में 0. आपको बता तो दिया कि 0 को इतना बड़ा वरदान मिला हुआ कि देखो कोई नीचे नहीं बिठा सकता. राइट ना, छोटी जरूर है पर उसको कोई नीचे नहीं बिठा सकता. राइट.
ओके मैम.
So I'm discussing the example at page number 186 that there is a person who is starting from the point P, moving towards east. 2 by 3 kilometers he is covering towards east, and then from there 1:5 by 7 kilometers towards west. Naturally, you know that east and west they are contrary, opposite to each other. So towards west the distance will be covered in this direction. towards west, and the distance is given to be 1:5/7. Right? So what we want to find? We want to find where will be now from P. Where will be he now from P? इतना सारा distance cover करने के बाद the person he will be where he will be standing. ठीक है, P point से. हाँ जी कार्तिक, you want to ask something? You can. Otherwise, I should continue with the same question. Yes, Karthik.
I want to give answer.
Answer खड़े करने के लिए तब तक hand नहीं जब तक I am not asking.
Okay,
Something
ma'am.
I have to explain to all of you. Right. चलिए. So, right. The distance.
And welcome back to Devang season 14. आज है weekend का वार.
Devang, बच्चे unmute yourself. Voice is disturbing. चलिए. So the distance of Satpal from point P is equal to, ध्यान से देखना जरा. First of all, he is walking towards east. 2/3. चल तो रही है ना, कुछ प्लस तो हो ही रहा है ना, प्लस. Now he is coming back. That means in the opposite direction. And if you know about the number line, when we are going towards one direction and coming back to the opposite direction, we are getting negative integers. Right? इसी डायरेक्शन में बढ़ते जाओ और जब वापस जीरो के जिस पॉइंट से हमने चलना शुरू किया, यहाँ पे हम जीरो से चलना शुरू करते हैं, यहाँ पे पी से चलना शुरू किया, जिस पॉइंट से हम चलना शुरू करते हैं अगर उसके बैक आ जाओ तो नेगेटिव, उसके फ्रंट चले जाओ तो पॉजिटिव. So back में this distance is 1:5/7. We'll take it to be -1:5/7. Why so? Because it is of the opposite direction, right? So this will be equal to 2/3 plus minus minus. अब don't take it -1:7. I told you mixed fraction में negative sign नहीं होता, right? So plus minus minus 1:5/7. So this will be 2/3. This is 12/7. Solve it, you will get the answer. 2/3 minus 12/7. Some of the students, they do it like this only. -1:7, -6 plus 5, -1. So this fraction is -1/7. Don't take it like this, because mixed fraction can't be with negative sign. So this is all about the today's lecture. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture very well, right? So be excited. On Monday we'll meet with new things, new revisions, and new questions as well. Till then, take care.